So I want to do a review for the Bonafide mobile phone repair toolkit. As you can see, it's got 32 pieces in it, and I got it from Amazon for $18.99 plus tax. And I'm gonna show the camera what all it has, or what it contains. You can pause the video if you want to see all that. Okay. So for the build, there is like a rubber on the front. It feels durable, and it feels like it's gonna hold its own for a long time. That is all the way around. The bag is just a hard plastic. Oh yeah, and it came with a little zip tie through that hole. Wonder if you can see my finger. Yeah, you can see my finger through that hole just to keep it shut. Open it up. So at the start, you get all this. You get a driver right here. It's got their logo on it. Let me see if I can focus. Here we go. And this is also magnetic. And this glides super smooth. And it just feels really nice. I'll give you a example by spinning it. Do it one more time. Yeah. So this glides really smoothly. So yeah, it's just a really good overall driver. Set that down to the side. We got a pair of tweezers right here to pick up small parts inside the phone. Maybe you want to unclip some wires. You'd like to use this. It's got their logo on it. Oh yeah, and this feels durable, it feels heavy, and it's cold metal all around. Same for this too. It feels cold, it feels durable, and yeah. The tips are just grinded. You can see the little grind spots, hopefully. You probably can't see that. But trust me, yeah, this is... I can see the little grind spots. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. Set that up to the side. Oh, and it comes with a plastic protector. You just put it over, and it stays shut. We have an extension right here. This just feels like an average extension. Like really nothing special about it. Well, yeah, it's just a everyday extension. And we have a SIM card tool opener right here. Again, this is just, this feels like an average one, but there is a slight burr on one end when it came to me. We got two mini priors, or too many crowbars, or whatever they call it. One is taller than the other, and yeah. And you could use these to unsnap ribbon cables in the phone. Or yeah. These feel light. They feel quite average, to be honest. Got the suction cup. Got the ring on one end. And yeah. I actually have my own little thin pry tool. We're gonna pretend this is a phone that I want to take apart, but I've already did it twice. The cracks were already there. You want to like heat this up. I'm gonna pull on this slightly, and you want to put this a pry tool between the glass right here just to cut that adhesive, and you put like cards underneath it from keeping it from gluing back together. And this has its own little thing right here. You can like pull up on it to release the suction. And we got I forgot the name of this, but let me look on the back. It is a plastic opening pick. Again, you can use this on the glass just to try and pry it up, or just use it like however you please. And last but not least, we have the bits. I already listed all of the bits on the back. It's got 32 different ones. They seem super high quality. I love them, and they seem like they're gonna last for a long time. So yeah, that's about it for this review. I will link where to get this. It's from Amazon. Again, it's $18.99. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.